In this part of video we will demonstrate this product, basically intelligent lock. So this particular model comes with two color. One is the black and second is red bronze. So this particular black model is being installed by us, so we will see its demonstration and basic feature. Now we will demonstrate this product. It has multiple unlocking options. Fingerprint, high sensitivity.
Unlocked. Locked.
Then we have a numeric password.
Input unlock information. Unlocked. Locked.
Then we have RFID tag.
Unlocked. Locked.
With the help of key. Now we will see how we can add an admin.
Input unlock information. Input administration information. Press 1 for administrator settings. Press 1 to add administrator. Input administration information. Please input again. Please input again. Please input again. 001 successful.
One admin enrolled successfully. Now we will add another admin with the help of RFID key.
Input administration information. Press 1 for administrator settings. Press 1 to add administrator settings. Press 2. Input administration information. 002 successful.
Now we have successfully enrolled another admin with the help of RFID tag. Now we will add admin with the help of password.
Input unlock information. Input administration information. Press 1 for administrator settings. Press 1 to add administrator settings. Input administration information.
I will provide password 363636.
Please input again. 003 successful.
3 admin added successfully. Now we will add users.
Input administration information. Press 1 for administrator settings. Press 2 for user settings. Press 1 to add user. Press 2 to delete. Input unlock information.
We will enroll user with the help of password 141414 hash.
Please input again. 010 successful.
We will add another user with the help of
Please input again. Please input again. Please input again. 011 successful.
Now we have successfully enrolled 3 admin, 2 users. So now we can assess this by using password and all these.
Unlocked. Locked. Input unlock information. Failed. Unlocked. Locked. Input unlock information.
all the users and admins are working successfully. Now we will connect our intelligent lock with the Wi-Fi system and with mobile application. To connect your intelligent lock with the mobile application, you need to go to Play Store and download the application Smart Life. You can log in with your Google account. Now click on Add Device. Go to Security and Sensors. Choose Lock Wi-Fi. Give your Wi-Fi password details.
Input administration information. Press 1 for administrator setting. Press 2 for user setting. Press 3 for system setting. Press 4 to reboot system. Press 1 to add administrator setting. Press 2 to delete administrator. Press 3 networking setting. Press 1 hotspot connection. Press 2 intelligent connection.
Now we are adding our intelligent lock with mobile application with this procedure.
Successful.
As you could see, our lock is successfully added. You can give particular name and click on done. Now we can use some advanced function with the help of mobile application to intelligent lock. So for that, you just click on the particular lock that is successfully added. We have a remote dynamic password feature over here. For example, if you want to give access to your lock to somebody for a particular time, like for the 5 minutes, you can give a temporary password with a remote dynamic password option. You just click on that. So it will generate a password that will be used to unlock, and it will be valid for the 5 minutes only. So let's try. We have a password.
Unlocked.
It's successfully unlocked with the help of that password that is generated. Next feature we have, if somebody is at the gate and want to enter inside with a one-time access, so they can use the feature remote unlock. For that you have to do 9#.
Requesting remote unlocking.
User request you to unlock the door for the once, and you will receive a notification in your mobile application to unlock. So click on the app, confirm.
Unlocked.
Door will be unlocked for once only. Next feature we have a temporary password. A temporary password, basically if you want to give access to your log for particular date and time accordingly limit, then you can use a temporary password. For that, click on add option. Generate a random password by the system. Give particular name. Give the starting time. Give the ending time accordingly. You can give as much as time that you want to give. Click on done. Now we will try a temporary password.
Unlocked.
It will be working till the given time and date. Once temporary password created, it will show its status valid. It will goes invalid till time expires. Next we have option of records. You can have a complete log detail of what particular time your lock is being operated, unlocked, with which particular way and procedure. Thank you so much. Have a safe life.